everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we have the Disney Kingdom Hearts box from Sophie and Toffee. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what's inside. This is such a beautiful box. Oh wow, look at the design up here. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, now let's check out what goodies are inside this month's box. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, this box is just full. Here is a little booklet and what's in the box. And it seems like there are 7 dice molds here. We have a dice rolling tray mold. We have a trinket dish mold. And we also got some open bezels. So here we have 6 open bezels. We have a set of epoxy resin, a set of Kingdom Hearts design film, and 3 mica pigment powders. Over here on the next page, we have instructions on how to use the dice mold. This is super cool, so let's take a look. Okay, so this one is the trinket dish mold. And oh my goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. So I don't know if you can see the design, but we have a Mickey Mouse here in the middle, and we got some hearts. And this looks like it's going to be a really cute dish. Here are the dice molds. So we got a whole bunch of them. Let's see, we got 7 of them. Let's just open one up, take a look. Okay, so this comes in 3 pieces. And they fit together like this. And it's nice that it comes with instructions so that you know how to use it. Okay, so on the bottom we have a very big mold. Okay, so this one is the rolling tray, and it is super pretty with lots of etchings on there. Here's the pigment powders. We have purple, pink, and magenta. Oh, these are the open bezels. They look really big. Let's take a look. Here's the second one. Here's the 3rd one, 4th one, 5th one, and my favorite, number 6. Over here is a sheet of design film. So we got some large images and then some smaller ones. These are in the shape of keys. Oh, and some super tiny ones. And finally, we got some resin. So it says here it comes with 240 grams of resin, and to actually fill up the 2 molds, you only need 200. So there's actually enough resin for both molds. So let's go ahead and make something. I think today we should make the rolling dice tray. This is just such a beautiful tray, and I really want to see what it looks like when it's done. So here are the supplies that we're going to need. We're going to need the resin. I'm going to add some gold flakes. I'm going to use the 3 mica powders that came in the set, but in addition, I'm also going to use a few other colors that I have already. To measure the resin, I also have my scale, and I will be trying out these 2 new gadgets. So I have a really cool 3-in-1 pouring cup. In addition, I'm also going to be trying out this cordless resin mixer. This in a cup was sent to me from Istoil to review, so thank you so much. I am super excited about this. I've never used an electric mixer before. So we're going to give this a try. Alright, let's get started. And as always, before you start using resin, make sure to wear protective gear, which means a pair of gloves and also a respirator, or have some windows open for ventilation. So let's go ahead and start by painting our mold here with some mica powder. Oh, these colors are just gorgeous. So the instructions here say we need 170 grams of resin. Since this is 2-part resin, we're going to need 85 for each part. Perfect, 170. Now we're going to take a resin mixer. It comes in two parts. We have the little mixer head here. The set comes with two of them. And we have the body. So I'm just going to stick it in there. And this also takes 4 AAA batteries. And the buttons here, just turn it to the right or to the left. Let's give this a try and stick it inside. And we're going to mix. Oh, look at that. Now the most important thing is that it does not create extra bubbles. I'm going to turn it the other way. Okay, so far so good. So there's some bubbles in there, but there's not a whole lot. So this would be pretty much the same as if I had stirred it by hand, which is pretty good. So here is the resin, and now that it's settled a bit, you can see that most of the bubble is starting to float up to the top and disappear. So in a small cup, I'm going to add a little bit of the gold flakes. A little does go a long way, and hopefully I didn't put too much in here. And we're going to pour this into the mold. I'm going to pour it along the edges so we get more gold on the sides. Then I'm going to split the rest of the resin into 3 cups. And we're going to add some dark mica powder. Then we're going to mix the color in. Once the colors are mixed, we're going to pour them into this divider cup. Alright, so here's the resin inside a cup in 3 different colors. We have purple, we have kind of a charcoal gray, and we also have a very dark blue. And so now we can pour this in. Oh, look. All 3 colors are coming out. Oh, this is really, really cool. Look at the colors. And since this is silicone, it is quite flexible. And it'll be easy to clean too, because the resin will just peel off once it's cured. Alright, and that's it. All you have to do now is wait. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and we are ready to demold. So our resin has hardened and looks really pretty from the back, don't you think? So we see all these gold flakes, we still see all the different colors from the mica powder. And here is the side. Here's the top side. Okay, and I love that this mold is very strong and should be pretty easy to demold. Look how flexible it is. You can actually flip it inside out. Okay, so we still have a little bit of residue here, which is okay. We can clean up. We can clean it off with some alcohol. And here is our dish. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look at this. This is so big too. So here's the bottom. Here's the side with the Disney trademark on there. And here's the inside of the dish. You can really see the details too. This turned out so pretty. Alright everyone, so what do you think of this dish? Do you like it? I love the design and I love the colors that we used today too. And so let's take a look at the divider cup. I thought this was really cool, and as you can see here, it's pretty easy to clean up because it's made of silicone, so you can just pull off the resin once it has cured and use some tape to take off the little pieces here. And I thought this was also very good. So this set does come with 2 mixers so that if you're mixing different colors, you can switch them out. And all you have to do to clean it up is take a baby wipe while it's still wet and just wipe it off. So this worked really well. It did not seem to create any extra bubbles than usual. So this is really cool. I think I'll be using this a lot. Alright everyone, so let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my dice rolling tray. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!